You're watching your Nano Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you a yummy and delicious recipe called Kit Kat Milkshake. So let's get started. To make the Kit Kat Milkshake we need some Kit Kat chocolate, sugar, chocolate powder, and a glass of milk. First, take a blender and put all the Kit Kat chocolates. Now some chocolate powder, now some sugar, and a glass of milk. Now blend everything together. The creamy Kit Kat milkshake is ready. Now let's serve it in a glass. You can add some ice cube to make the milkshake chill. See how creamy the texture is. Grate some chocolate to make more chocolatey. I'm adding some choco chips too. This is completely optional. And some colorful sprinkles. It looks great. Some sugar balls too. See how colorful it is. There is brown, silver, and rainbow colors too. It will be so delicious and tasty. Try it in your home. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.